Hi, I'm Nick Tron, and in this webinar, I'm going to give you some tips on how to survive a SARS audit. Now, SARS audits, are inevitable. At one stage or another, you're going to have to deal with the audit. And dealing with an audit is most certainly not all about obstructing the audit or hiding stuff, most certainly not. Dealing with an audit is an attempt to try and get the audit resolved sooner rather than later, and to ensure that you don't end up with unnecessary assessments. Too often in my practice in dispute resolution, we see disputes that could have been avoided if the communication was done properly during the audit. So in this webinar, we want to talk to you about how do you deal with the audit effectively with the aim of saving time and preventing unnecessary assessments. And most of that comes down to understanding really what it is the auditor is doing and why they are doing it. I also want to touch base on taxpayers' rights. So even though audits are unavoidable, and there's in fact very little you can do to stop SARS from auditing you, or the taxpayer, I should say, but there are certain rights that the taxpayer has, at least it's given during in terms of the TIA, and understanding what those rights are can be very important and can be used later on in the dispute should it be necessary. So I hope to see you all there. Thank you.